some areas where we're just trying to improve simply comes down to a maths problem, like basic school level, high school level maths. The guy I was talking to today was saying his close rates are bad, and he apparently was closing 50 to 60%. And I'm like, okay, do you know what the industry standards are? To which he had no idea. Turns out he was closing quite successfully. And so he was trying to solve problems which the industry has deemed are not problems that need solving. Because if your industry standard is lower than you are, that's evidently not the constraint you're dealing with. But he's still not making enough money. And so we then had a look and broke it down elsewhere. Depending on what your goal is, will change the actions you take to improve, because you will try and head in different directions. This one guy wanted to make more money. That's the goal, right? Total amount of money. And so considering his close rates are above industry standard and are quite good, we just needed to run a basic maths problem of, okay, is there a way that we could shorten the call, let's say half the call to fit in twice the number of people? And if that dropped our close rate down from 50 to 60% to 40 to 50, would that be worth it? And he immediately said no. And I was like, bro, let's do the maths. So the same cadence, so 1 times 50, let's call it 50% close rate, 50, it's going to be 0.5. That's your total number of people that you close. 0.5 is the multiple. And then if we go with a doubly booked calendar at a close rate of 0.4, 2 times 0.4 is 0.8, which is a bigger number than 0.5. So you will have in total more closes even though you are net less efficient, because you're doing more volume in the same time. So for this scenario, and this might be the case for you, that you might be too efficient in one area but sacrificing efficiency elsewhere, which is limiting your actual goal, whatever it is. And see how simple of a number that was, how quick of a test? All you need to do is try running calls half the speed, or half the time, sorry, and see what your close rates are. And is it net worthwhile? Are you making more money weekly than not? Because if not, then you can go back. That's it, really easy. It's really important that we understand the goal that we want in order to be able to figure out a way to solve it. And a lot of the times it comes down to just a basic maths problem. If you have any of these, run some numbers, figure it out. Is it doable? Is it not? And just test it. Most things in life are a two-way door, so give it a go, smile, laugh, have fun along the way, and that's it. Right. Have a great day, guys. Peace.